Hello everyone. To begin our lesson today, you may have a look at these two pictures. Have you ever seen them? Do you know the name of this device? Yes, this is what we call as a cathode ray oscilloscope, or also known as C.R.O.
Cathode ray oscilloscope? What is it, teacher?
Okay, I'll tell you what cathode ray oscilloscope is. It is a device which uses cathode ray tube to convert electronic and electrical signals into a visual display.
Oh, I see. Then what is cathode ray oscilloscope used for?
Alright, Susan. Cathode ray oscilloscope has a few uses. First, it can use to measure AC and DC voltage. Second, it can use to measure short time interval. For example, a time in between two claps, a time in between two heartbeats or pulses, and a time in between sending and receiving a signal using sonar to determine the depth of a seabed. And third, it can use to display a waveform.
Oh, I see. Yay! Now I know the uses. But teacher, how does cathode ray oscilloscope works?
Okay, I'll tell you. Cathode ray oscilloscope works due to thermionic emission.
Thermionic emission? Can you please explain it, teacher?
Alright, Susan. Thermionic emission is the process of emission of electrons from a heated metal surface. Okay, now let's take a look at this picture. It shows the condition of electron at room temperature. So what happened at room temperature? These electrons move freely on the metal surface, but they are held back by an attractive force from the atomic nucleus. So, as the metal is heated at high temperature, some of these electrons gain sufficient energy to overcome the force and escape from the metal surface. And as you can see here, these escaping electrons are moving at a high speed inside the vacuum tube, and they are called as cathode ray. Okay, now let's take a look at the properties of a cathode ray. Cathode ray is a negatively charged particles. They travel in a straight line and cast a sharp dark shadow. They also travel at a high speed and have a kinetic energy and can cause fluorescence. And last but not least, they show deflection in both electric and magnetic field. So what do you think of today's lesson?
I'm so happy today to know what is C.R.O, its uses, the working principle, and plus why it is called as cathode ray oscilloscope. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, students, if you want to know how the cathode ray casts a bright spot or a bright traces in front of the C.R.O screen, what are energy changes occur as the cathode ray travels from the cathode towards the screen, and also what are those parts inside the cathode ray tube and the function for each, join me again in my next lesson for more details. Till then, thank you for watching and see you soon.